These are for fixed and adjustable angles. This is a hose for a hot and cold water faucet. This is a hot and cold faucet. It's connected to this position. This one, these are accessories for fixing the hot and cold water taps. This is a water purifier. This is the drain. This is the hose for the drain.
These are screws for fixing the rack.
Or screws. These are all the parts. Let's install it now. Let's install the 4 corners first. First, install the drain. The inlet hose. The water purifier. This is hot and cold. For hot and cold water, we need to fix these 2 pipes first. Put this inside before fixing it. Tighten it, and then tighten this one. Use this to fix it below. Next, we need to install this shelf. Install the shelf. For screws and for holes. This is how it's installed. This is a drain board. This is the sink. This is the ice pool, ice storage. This is a shelf. This shelf is for milk tea buckets. This is the place for the sugar coating machine. Below is the locker.